Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my new video. Okay, today we are going to discuss about something like modules, 4 modules. Which coaching modules is best for your NEET prep? Okay, so just wait for 2 minutes. I have 2 coaching modules. Okay, the first one is this and the second is this, PWM and NF. Which one is best for you? I think both are best, but let's do some criteria for this. Okay, first we are going to talk about PW modules. See, this is the first module of PW, in which cell, the unit of life, and cell cycle and cell division chapter is included, the living one. This is botany. So on the first page you will get the weightage, like which chapter, chapter wise weightage. Okay, and when you open the second page, just a minute, you can look like the preference features and like, and then you can read this for your general informations. And the main chapter starting is here, in which you will get chapter weightage on every exam, like how many questions are coming every year. Okay, and then from second page you will get about some basic, like what is cell and this all chapters. And you will also get some questions, like I will show you, like this type of questions, as you can see on this side. Okay, like this, and then when you end this chapter now, you will get more question practice, like and then you will get some short notes for quick revision before the exam. And then you will get some questions in Aram, like solved example. This is Aram with a solved example. This is the Aram questions, all the. Okay, and this is the one top like a motivating thing which you can apply in your life. Then you will get school level problems. Okay, and then the Prarambh exercise 1, 2, 3 is started, and this is the all round of matlab, as you can see, the whole book is based on this structure. And now we are going on LN module. The LN modules are like this in looking, in which the all teachers like founder, CEO, and all the teachers like okay, Kohind Maheshwari sir, and from Rajesh Maheshwari sirs, and all the teachers are present here, the full LN team. Okay, this is the nature one, and in which you also get diversity in the living plant, like chapter cell, the unit of. We are going to talk about the cell chapter, so you can get better knowledge for which modules is best for you. Okay, like so yeah, in LN module you will get some like this, just for 2 minutes guys. Yeah, you will get this all information, like introduction, what is cell, and this all. And then you will get exercise 1, 2, 3, and in this chapter you will get also beginner box and illustration between the chapter information. So this is the all like scientist name and pictures, like stickers, which is absent in PW module. And as you can notice, this module is colorful. Not chemistry and physics module is colorful, but the bio module is like colorful. You will get like colorful notes like this. As you can see, all the thing I know this all. Okay, this is the all informations. And after that, some basic knowledge. You will get like beginner box. As you can see, this is the beginner box, all the. Okay, as you can see, there is a beginner box. And after that now, you will get directly exercise when the whole chapter is ended. When you read this, you will get 3 levels of exercise, in which the NEET PYQ is present. Okay, and I think if you want colorful notes and you have a budget of 6 to 10,000 rupees, you can buy this LN module from like this LN store website. Okay, and I think this is the 4, but you can, मतलब आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि आपके वो एरिया में अवेलेबल है या नहीं है. But if you have the budget of 4,000 rupees limited budget, you can buy this like PW module. It is also a good, very best module, but the LN is more old than PW. So the you will get some extra knowledge, not so more, but you will get some extra knowledge in this module. Okay, like, and this module is perfectly based on NCERT. So I think both are better for you, but you have to decide what is your budget. Does your pocket is allowing to buy these LN modules in 6 to 10,000 rupees, whereas I know, ठीक है. And if you want to buy those module, PW module, you can purchase this. This is also a good module, and as you can see, there is also informations, but you will get some black and white pages and writing. But in this module, LN like, so you will get colorful notes, and this is the biggest difference between those modules. Okay, and if we are talking about some module of chemistry and physics, they both are same, like black and white notes in both PW and LN, like. Okay, so don't worry about it. The main difference is between bio module. Okay, but I prefer this, as you can see, just for 2 minutes, this book, because NEET में यहाँ से almost सारे questions बनते हैं. So I prefer NCERT more than the module, and I also can prefer my notes. Okay, अगर मैं notes पढ़ लेता हूँ, उसके बाद जब आप NCERT पढ़ोगे तो आपको ज़्यादा मतलब नॉलेज गेन करने में या फिर रिवाइज वगैरह करने में हेल्प होगी. ओके, सो आपको कौन सा लेना चाहिए, ये फाइनली वही है कि अगर आप 24 बुक्स का सेट लेते हो LN से, तो आपको ऑलमोस्ट कोस्ट करेगा 12,000 10,000 कुछ समथिंग अराउंड. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय ओनली 11th और 12th बुक सेपरेटली, you will have to pay 6 to 8,000 rupees. Okay, for one set in which you get 12 module of 11th and 12 of 12th. And then this is my notes, and generally I prefer these notes for my exams and everything. So this is the comparisons of module, and it is end here. So ये आपके ऊपर कोर्स करेगा कि क्या आपको लेना है, क्या नहीं लेना है. मैंने आपको एक ओवरऑल व्यू दे दिया इनका, ठीक है. बस कि PW आपको चीपर पड़ते हैं, पेजेस की क्वालिटी लगभग वही है, बट LN में स्लाइटली बेटर है और कलरफुल नोट्स हैं. बाकी अगर आप बात करो तो LN में हमें जो एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं वो खाली नीट PY के होते हैं, मैंने जहाँ तक देखे हैं. और ये जो PW के होते हैं ना, उसमें सारे मिक्स होते हैं, एंड वो पहले के भी है, अभी के भी है, जो भी अच्छे हैं. बट हाँ, क्योंकि देखा जाए तो LN इज़ मोर ओल्डर देन PW, सो you will get best questions, like best quality of questions in LN module, but you will also get those questions in PW modules, and I see sometimes. Okay, so this is the video of comparison of LN and PW modules. You will also buy PW modules from PW store and Amazon, Flipkart, and you can also buy those module like LN from LN store, but you have to check that LN is deliver the module on your location. Okay, so it's also depend on your pocket and budget and like location. So the video end is here. Bye guys, we will